Yazi. I'm a Uyghur poet. The thing is, after like living in Paris for like 2 and more years, I'm about to leave for Canada, and it's fortunately for a good cause, like a great cause. I try to write about, something like saying goodbye to Paris, like farewell. But I guess it's like too big of a topic, so I ended up writing these like 2 little poems. The first one is called To Am. I meant to write you a poem. Instead, I turtle my dirty camera slightly towards the sky, so the blue portion would shine on the deep green water, carrying the gaze and gazes too far. Too far, I must say I am jealous of, but how can I be jealous of something I already hold? Too far, I must say man, lost, home sober. How can I be home if I am marching west and home is east? Keep rushing to you when all I need is a little peace. A peace I see in your glaze among the chaos that I be in. All right, that's it.
Oh.